Hi everyone. You can sit wherever you would like. There's no assigned seating here, so just pick a chair. And hi Maureen. I know we spoke over the phone, but for the rest of you, my name is Lizzie, and I just want to put it out there from the get-go that this is a little bit, I'm sure, of an uncomfortable situation for you guys. You are coming to me. I'm a complete stranger. Um, you don't know anything about me, yet I will be asking questions to get to know you guys a little better. So completely understand if you're a little uncomfortable with this, it makes total sense. So let's just start with the easy stuff, some basic information, nothing heavy. Maureen, can you start? Just give me a little bit about, let me know a little bit about you. Like, how old are you? Okay, 42. Are you employed? Okay, so you work full time? Awesome. Where do you work? Oh, you're a social worker. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Tough job's not meant for everyone, so you must be special. Um, and I'm sorry, what is your name? Todd. Hi, Todd. I'm Lizzie. Um, Let me know a little bit about you too. What's your age? Okay, 48. And do you work? Okay, so you're semi-retired. Oh, due to a work injury. Wow, that must be really rough. It's a big transition from going and working full time to then having that injury that was completely unplanned and not your fault. Okay. And then you, what's your name? Oh, Sandra. Hi, Sandra. I'm Lizzie. Um, and how old are you, Sandra? You're 14? Okay. So that makes you, what, a freshman? Okay. Um, and you, young sir, what is your name? Todd? You're Todd too? Okay. All right, we got a junior on our hands. Um, and how old are you? 17? Okay, so then what grade are you in? 12? Oh man, you're a senior. Okay, so that's exciting. Ooh, a freshman and a senior. Man, so it really sounds like you guys have a lot going on in your house. Two high school students. That's a lot of stuff going on right there between proms and then graduation and mom working and dad recovering and from his injury. Whew, you guys have a lot. You have a lot that you're all dealing with together as a family and individually. So typically, when a family comes in, um, everyone has their own view of what's going on or what they may say is a problem or something that they want to see be changed. So I really want to give each of you your own opportunity um, to hear how you see the problem. So, Maureen, you had called me. Would you like to talk about this first? Okay, go ahead. All right, Todd, sorry, don't want to interrupt you. I just really want everyone to get the opportunity to express how they're feeling. So let's let Maureen talk, and then you can speak your piece next and talk about um, what you have or what you agree with, or maybe how you may see things differently. But thank you for wanting to speak up. I really appreciate it. Okay, Todd. So now what I'm hearing from you is that you you already feel bad about not being able to work and you don't want to let your wife down further. And that's what you feel like you've done to your family, that you've kind of let her down. So you rather just avoid her and not talk to her because ultimately you think you are the problem. And Maureen, hearing Todd say that, now how does that make you feel? Okay, so he's not the problem. And you're acknowledging that and you're saying that out loud. And you're saying it's not his fault for what happened to him. It's not his fault that he got hurt. And that you could work on how you communicate. Wow, that was awesome. That was a lot right there. Now, Junior, I see you're kind of rolling your eyes. So what's your thought? What's going on right now? What was your reaction to everything that just transpired? Okay, so it really sounds like everyone is expressing communication as something that they would like to change. So, Maureen, you are saying that you know, are wanting to change how you communicate, and you're wanting Todd to communicate more with you. And kids, do you guys agree with that, that communication is something that you want to work on as a family? Okay, so now what is the next step? Um, how are we going to do this moving forward? Would you like to schedule another family session? Would you like to have a family session and then marriage counseling? So just with you, Todd and Maureen, because I really think it's important for you guys to have that strong communication and be able to be strong as a unit so then you can better parent both of your kids. And then if we do continue with family sessions, maybe we can pick that up after you have a few sessions where just you two can communicate. Does that sound good? Do you guys agree with that? Are you guys all comfortable with that? Okay. Do you guys have any questions for me? No? All right. So we're going to work on this communication style. I will see the two of you next week, and then maybe in like a month or so we'll have another family session. However, in the meantime, I am going to challenge you. I'm going to give you a little bit of homework. I'm going to have you do an activity. It's called Best and Worst Part of the Day. So I want you to try this 3 times over this next week. So at dinner time, since that seems to be a time that you guys are all home and together, Maureen, if you could initiate this, please. If you could just ask everyone around the dinner table what's been the best part of the day and what's been the worst part of the day. For example, best part of the day could have been got an A on a tough math exam, and the worst part of the day could have been you stepped in a puddle. It could be as little as that. But if each of you at dinner time 3 times within the next week, Maureen, if you could initiate that, just each family member say what their worst and best part of the day. And what that does, it just really opens up communication. Sound good? All right. Thank you guys. Very nice meeting you.